So this is a video tutorial showing how to fix the screen after it's shattered on a Toshiba SATELLITE C55-A5285 model. And what you will need is an appropriate size screwdriver and the new screen. So first thing is taking the charger out of the computer.
Take the battery out.
Oh, and the battery, yeah.
And have two little sticky things over these things too, and I already have those removed. That's going to be the first thing you take out. Then this plate just has little hooks around it, you just got to pop them off. Now there's going to be two screws down here. They're kind of hard to get at, so you just kind of work with it. Now the two screws at the top. I'm going to hold on to it too so the back doesn't fall down. Now there are 3 screws on each side in the same place. Go ahead and take those out. Before you do that, you might want to take this ribbon out. There's tape on the bottom of it and you want to pull it up. And then you want to push it in this direction. Now the other one's out. Might want to leave this film on while we screw it back on. Probably easier if someone else holds it while you screw it in. Now that we have all 6 screws on the sides, we want to put the ribbon back in. And it's going to go in towards you. Make sure the tape doesn't pull it. Now we're going to put these 2 top screws back in first. And they are the big faced ones. Now we're going to put the 2 screws in the inner holes. Now we're going to push the faceplate back on. Now the last 2 screws go back underneath where those sticky things were. Trouble getting, you can see it right here and you can push it back up a lot easier when it's closed, for me anyways. Again.
And you were ready to